Okay, so your teen finally gets their G1 license. It's a huge moment, right? But for a lot of parents, that's when the real worry starts. And trying to find the right driving school in Ajax can feel like you're just lost in a maze. But what if the most important thing isn't just about passing the test? Today, we're going to dig into what really creates a safe driver for life.
So let me ask you this. What is the single biggest blind spot in almost all driver training out there? It's a really important question. And here's a little spoiler alert. It has almost nothing to do with mastering the road test, and everything to do with what happens right after.
And this right here is the problem. It's something we call the practice gap. See, the law says you need a certain number of practice hours, but let's be honest, is just driving around the neighborhood enough? No way. That's not going to prepare a new driver for merging onto the 401 in the middle of a snowstorm. It's all about the quality of that practice time.
So how in the world do we bridge this practice gap? Well, the good news is there's a program that's been proven time and again to do exactly that. Based on real, independent data, Young Drivers of Canada isn't just another driving school, it's a whole system designed from the ground up to build safe driving habits that actually last a lifetime.
Their entire philosophy is built around this thing they call the collision-free approach. Now, this is not just about learning three-point turns and how to parallel park. We're talking about advanced, life-saving skills. Skills like emergency braking, how to avoid a head-on collision, what to do if your tires slip off the pavement. I mean, these are literally survival skills for the road.
And, the results really do speak for themselves. This quote, which comes from independent research, shows that YDC grads don't just ace their tests, they are statistically, provably safer out on the road. The data just backs it up.
A great curriculum is one thing, but it's the instructor who really makes it come alive. And at YDC, the instructors go through this incredibly rigorous certification process that goes way, way beyond the provincial minimums, and they have to get recertified every single year. That commitment to quality means every student is getting absolutely top-tier coaching.
Okay, so we have these amazing instructors and this proven curriculum. But how does young drivers actually close that practice gap we keep talking about? Let's take a look at how they turn those practice hours from just a chore into actual life-saving skills.
This slide just lays it out perfectly. On the left, you've got that typical, unstructured practice, which, let's face it, usually ends in arguments and frustration. But on the right, you see the YDC approach. It's goal-oriented, it's tracked, and it gives parents the tools to be an effective coach. It turns those stressful drives into really productive learning moments.
And this is how they make it all work so well. The Driver's Coach app, which just launched in late 2024, is basically like having a professional co-pilot sitting in the passenger seat for every single practice drive. It is a total game changer for both the new driver and for mom and dad.
So let's break down what this app actually does. First, it's got AI-powered prep to help ace the G1 written test. Then, it uses GPS to track every drive and gives real feedback on things like braking and smoothness. To make it fun, it turns the whole thing into a game with levels and badges. And, this is huge for parents, it gives you a literal lesson plan for every drive, so there are no more arguments about what to work on.
All right, this all sounds really impressive, but you're probably wondering, does it actually make a difference? Let's look at the numbers, because the proof is in the driving, both when it comes to safety and to real money in your pocket.
I mean, look at this chart. It says everything you need to know. Study after study, all done independently, consistently show that young drivers graduates have way fewer collisions and traffic tickets compared to the average new driver in the province. That's a powerful visual right there.
And, better driving also means real savings. Well, pretty much any MTO-approved course can get you an insurance discount. Young Drivers has an exclusive partnership with Avenue Insurance that offers their grads some of the best rates out there. For a lot of families, these savings can actually offset the entire cost of the program over time. So it's a really smart investment.
So we've seen the why behind the YDC system. Now let's get down to the nitty-gritty. For those of you right here in Ajax and the Durham region, what are your actual options locally?
First things first, here's the spot. The Ajax location is right on Harwood Avenue South. And it's important to note that this one location serves students from all over the area. So if you're in Pickering or Whitby, this is your spot too. Now, let's talk about the investment. Look, YDC is a premium program and the price reflects the quality of the training. The basic package gives you the full MTO course with that heavy focus on defensive driving. You can also add on a road test package or go for a comprehensive plan that includes extra lessons for tough stuff like highway or winter driving. You're really investing in safety and your own peace of mind.
And here's the great part. No matter which package you choose, the core value is always there. You always get that collision-free training, you always get one-on-one in-car lessons, convenient pickup in Ajax, access to the driver's coach app, and of course that MTO certification that lets your teen take their G2 test 4 months earlier.
Getting signed up is super straightforward. Once your teen is 16 and has their G1, you just hop online, pick your package, register, and they can start the online theory part, like, right away. Then, download the app, schedule the flexible in-car lessons, and book that G2 test for 8 months from their G1 date. It's a really clear, simple path.
So, we'll end on this thought. When you're choosing a driving school, the real question isn't just about the price or how close it is to home. It's about what you're actually trying to accomplish. Is the goal just to get a piece of plastic in their wallet? Or is it to give them the skills and the confidence for a lifetime of safe driving? It's really something to think about.